In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a status on WhatsApp Web using your laptop or PC. First, make sure you're using a modern web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, and that you have WhatsApp already installed and active on your phone. WhatsApp Web is simply a mirror of what's on your phone, so your phone needs to be turned on and connected to the internet the whole time for this to work. On your computer, open your browser and go to webwhatsapp.com. You'll see a large QR code on the screen. Now, grab your phone and open the WhatsApp app. On most phones, you'll tap the three dots or menu icon in the top corner. Then select Linked Devices and choose the option to link a new device. Your camera will open. Point your phone's camera at the QR code on your computer screen and wait a moment. Once it scans successfully, your chats will appear on the laptop, and you're now using WhatsApp Web. Next, let's find the Status section. On the left side of WhatsApp Web, you'll see a few icons. Look for the one that represents status, usually a small circle icon. Click that, and you'll see your contacts' statuses, along with an option at the top to add your own. To upload a status, click on the My Status or Add Status area. A file selection window from your computer will open. Here, you can choose a photo or video that's saved on your laptop or PC. Browse to the folder where your file is stored, click on the image or video you want to use, and then click Open. Once the file loads, you'll see a preview on the screen. This is your chance to adjust things before posting. For photos, you can add a caption at the bottom to describe what you're sharing or add context. For videos, keep in mind that WhatsApp has a time limit, so longer clips may be trimmed automatically, or you might need to choose the most important part. Take a moment to review the preview. If it doesn't look right, you can close it and choose a different file. If you're happy with how it looks, click the Send or Post button, usually a green arrow icon. Your status will be uploaded and visible to your contacts, just like when you post from your phone. Finally, remember that your status will follow the same privacy settings you've configured in the mobile app, and it will disappear automatically after 24 hours.